All right, so here's what I learned about Google when I was doing my research. So Google is spending more money on their AI development. And one thing that I noticed is they're working in three different spaces. So the first is SpaceX. And with SpaceX, they're renting data center space so that they can house more of their information. So most people would look at this as something that starts with E. What do you think that word is? Too late. Expense. So most people would look at that as an expense. But really, what's happening is Google is not just spending money for the sake of it. They need someone to house that data. And to Google, that's an investment because they need someone to house all that information. As we know, the earth is only so big, right? And everybody's building data centers, but we also need somewhere to live, and we also have the wildlife, right? But what better place than space because it's so large. So Google's literally renting from SpaceX space so that they can house all their information. The next is they started doing a Fitbit. So with their Fitbit, a lot of people think that they're just disrupting the market because there's already Fitbits out there. There's the Apple Fitbit, there's Whoop, and I think there's Fit. I don't know if Fitbit works with Google, but a lot of people think like, okay, they're just getting to another industry. But what Google's actually doing is they're capturing data, your heart rate, your calories, your sleep patterns, all that information. That's data because data is seen as like the new form of currency because the more information you have about something, the better that you can sell to them. And what Google does, they do advertisement. It's a search engine. It also has YouTube. So if it understands the person's behavior, their traits and whatnot, it knows what to send to them, which eventually would turn into money because now if Google knows your sleeping patterns, what you eat, what you like to watch, your heart rate, all that stuff, guess who they can sell that information to? Other companies. So Google's literally getting to the Fitbit space, so now they can get your health information. So now they can target companies that are focusing on health. So with that, it's not about fitness, it's about data. That's why Google started the Fitbit. The next company that they have partnership with is Reddit. So Reddit is a forum where people come on there and talk about stuff, whether they need information on something, want to find reviews, and it's a big search engine that people go to whenever they need help. So what's happening here, a lot of people think that Google is using the shovel to just dig, but what they're actually doing is they're creating different pipelines. So these are Google's pipelines. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Those are Google's pipelines. So what Google is doing with Reddit is Reddit has all this information of people talking. Because they're having conversations, Google is going to use this information to put into their data centers that they need, which now they can use AI to really curate the information that they need. So as you can see here, it goes products, data, AI equals dollars. So Google's pipeline looks like this. People look at this as individual companies, but the data that's from Fitbit, like the person's like everything that's going on with them, the conversations that they're having, you bring the two of those together, you put them in a space, that's the capacity from SpaceX, you put that together, now AI is being trained on the data and the conversations. The conversation so it knows how to speak to those people that advertisers are seeking, and then also the information behind what they're looking for. So when they put all those together, when they put it into the container, it spits out dollars now. So that's what Google's doing for the long-term play. So a lot of people think them increasing their capex, so that's their capital expenditure. So that's to help them do research and development, make their company better. But the long-term play is if we put this in place now, we will make tons of more money in the future. Any questions? No?
Why does Google have three pipes and they use SpaceX, Fitbit, and Reddit?
I just explained.
No, like, why they need conversations? Like, they can just train the AI.
So AI needs human conversation. So what AI does, AI, think of AI like this. Good question, Shiloh. So think of AI like this. This is the AI brain, okay? So when you put information in here, it remembers it, and then when you ask it something, it will spit it out with the answers. But AI starts with a blank slate. So AI starts like this. Zero information. So in order for AI, it's artificial intelligence. Where does the intelligence come from? Exactly. So if we have humans, it needs our information. So these two people are having a conversation, right? Stop that. These two people are having a conversation. Now, let's say they come up with something, blah, 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 and now we have the transcript. The transcript is just the writing of that, right? And we put it into AI. AI now has that. So when you hear artificial, that means it's a copy of something. There had to be an original. So the original is coming from the conversation. So now AI has this. So now it has this conversation. Now let's say two more people are having a conversation over here, and it goes in here. Now AI has information that it can use to spit out new information. So when someone has, say, a problem that these two solved, AI can now give you the solution for that.
Oh. Well, if there's a human that's smarter than AI and it can tell you all the questions.
Then we don't need AI anymore. But right now, it's technically smarter when you give it the information. But when it has nothing, it's literally like, okay, you literally have to teach it like a baby. So when you're giving it the information, you're growing the AI brain.
So you're saying like when it has no information, it's still dumb.
I wouldn't say dumb, but it doesn't have enough information to do anything that you want it to do. Until you give it the information, it has nothing to go off of.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.